Meanwhile, Venezuelans are watching the start of the round of US-backed talks between the ruling party and the opposition. Now, many hope that this would pave the way for a political transition and new elections following the capture of Nicolas Maduro. A prominent Venezuelan opposition figure arrived from Spain for the first round of talks with the government. Now, Dinora Figuera, the national lawmaker who had been living in exile, will meet with the government's chief negotiator, Jorge Rodriguez, who is the president of the National Assembly and the brother of interim President Delcy Rodriguez. The latest talks follow the January capture of then-President Nicolas Maduro by US forces and will focus on strengthening democracy and restoring rights after nearly 3 decades of socialist rule. In 2023, Figuera was selected to represent opposition lawmakers from the 2015 National Assembly, which was widely regarded as Venezuela's last democratically elected institution. She has notably called for changes to the Supreme Court of Justice and the National Electoral Council, two institutions widely criticized for validating Maduro's disputed 2024 re-election. The opposition rejected the result, claiming victory and alleging widespread electoral fraud. Figuera has said that the priority is to develop an institutional agenda that transcends the interest of Venezuela's political groups as proposed by the Trump administration. In an interview to a TV station, Dinora Figuera said, and I'm quoting her here, "We are focused on the official opening this week of this dialogue process, which seeks the restoration of democratic institutions." Now, according to the official agenda released by both sides, the two will talk about the response to the twin earthquakes of June 24th, which left more than 6,000 people dead, as well as the strengthening of democracy and political rights. Notably absent from the talks is Venezuela's leading opposition figure and Nobel Prize laureate Maria Corina Machado, who has said that she will not stand in the way of the process.